Let's assume you've gotten the course. So when you can just say welcome to that's the course you bought. The name is just on top of there. Logging into your dashboard. I'm just going to log in. Now that I've logged in, I see my product on the left and there's more product on your right. So what you bought now is going to be under my product. More product is, if you click there, you're going to see different products that we sell. Let's assume we click this now. It's going to tell you to pay to watch it, but you don't need to pay because you've already have access to the course that you bought. So I'm just going to go out of here now. There is session. If you click that, meaning session by session, this is your course. So the first thing is just telling you each lesson. So it's just to explain to you. And now this is a quiz. And take the quiz. Is just asking you a little bit about how the course is going. I will leave the quiz alone for now. So you have to come down. And this is the welcome. So there's going to be a video under the welcome to the course. This video is going to explain to you what is going on in the course, and there's equipment that you need. Okay, I want you to watch this video just like this. So equipment is here. You click into the equipment. It just shows you
everything I'm showing you. You should just have them in your bag that look at this at work.
When you finish watching the video, press complete. You've seen the equipment. Hairstyling product video will be there. So I want you to watch everything in order so that you'll be able to recreate the hair when you are doing it. So the next is the product that you need. So these are the product list. So you just click when you're ready to buy the product. That link is in there. So now we have the basics. Okay, the basics, what we need for the basics, how to session the hair. So everything you have to watch it in order before you start to do your own padding. Let's just click this and let's see. These are the video. Now if you want the screen to be bigger, you click that so that the screen can be bigger if you're using your phone. So you're just going to go. This is a lifetime access course. If you're buying this course, meaning you have access to it anytime until we are alive. We get to the styling now, the what, the why, and the how. There's 6 videos. So the hook, this one, the chignon hairstyle, is too long, so we make it into 2. There is the 1, there's the 2. So the halo, there is the 1, there is the 2. The perfection hairstyle, it's just the 1 video like that. So now let's go to the hookup. So that's it. So simple like that. The video will just come up, and that's it.
Hello and welcome back to Styling with me. Today we are going to be doing this gorgeous hairstyle together.
So now that is finished, now this is the chignon hairstyle. So all the styles are there. They are so clear and they are like really good quality. So if you want to flip it up, you can flip it up. So this part 2 is there. So you watch everything. The butterfly, I really like this one. This is the butterfly hairstyle. So all the hairstyles that you need to help you. And for this course, we normally, I updated it. It was originally 5 videos. Now I added the hook up to it. So this is how to use it. But remember, when you finish, okay, when you finish watching the video, don't forget to click complete. You have to click complete so that you can have a certificate at the end of the completion of the course. Remember, anytime you watch the videos, I will see that you have completed the video. If you need to leave any comment under to just say, oh Chris, I will see it that you have sent a comment, and this is nice. And when you finish, make sure you finish it. You press complete. but you have to really finish it to press complete, and then I can reply and you can like the comment. That is it. If you want to send message inside the platform, you can just press this and just type in message and you send it, and then you can say I'm online now because it said I'm online. If I'm not online, whenever I am online, I will reply you. That's it. That's how simple it is to use our platform. You just exit, okay, take you out of it, and you're back to your courses. Remember, these are your course. This is it. Very easy. And if you want to use other of our service, you just click here. Everything. These are our one-to-one, which we are going to start soon. And yeah, it just tell you everything that you need to know.